My mission is simple, to make you money. I'm here to level the playing field for all investors. There's always a bull market somewhere, and I promise to help you find it. Mad Money starts now. Hey, I'm Cramer. Welcome to Mad Money. Welcome to Cramerica. Other people want to make friends. I'm just trying to make you some money. My job is not just to entertain, but to educate and teach you, so call me at 1-800-743-CNBC or tweet me at Jim Cramer. Maybe this market got a new brand of mouthwash because it keeps getting better breath. In the last few weeks, more and more groups have switched from bear market territory to bull market territory, and they've still got plenty of room to play catch-up. That's one major reason why the averages hang in there, even when we get hit with waves of bad news. Witness today's action, where we opened incredibly weak, then rebounded, now ultimately dipping just 40 points. That's be actually inching up 0.06%. Nasdaq, actually advancing 0.33%. Quite a difference when I was out there squawk on the street, when it was just a sea of red. Yep, stocks opened up terribly, but then the strong bull markets that I'm talking about, the ones that are underneath, they surfaced, they quickly took over, and we rolled back a big chunk of the decline. Bye. Something I pointed out on Squawk on the Street when I was talking with David. When a rally has leaders from many different groups, say it has good breadth, and the better breadth we have, the more kissable this market is. And that's what you're actually seeing right now. So who are these leaders that I'm talking about? Well, some of them you're very familiar with because we talk about them all the time. Yes, bull market number one, the work-from-home cohort, which is really a cluster of smaller bull markets. You got your Zoom video and your Ring Essentials for video conferencing. But at the forefront of the stay-at-home division are the cybersecurity stocks, because companies need to beef up their protection when they put everything on the cloud. The analysts keep fighting this theme, but they're starting to capitulate. Today, Morgan Stanley threw in the bearish towel on Cramer faves Zscaler and Cloudflare. Palo Alto's been a big winner. Okta, a family fave. And don't forget CrowdStrike. Bull market number two. Payments. Every day I feel like someone comes in and raises price target for PayPal or Square. Makes sense. In a world where nobody wants to handle cash or touch a keypad or even hold a pen, you need contactless payments like PayPal or Apple Pay. Hey, owe your friend money? PayPal's got you covered with the Venmo. Bull market number three, e-commerce. Cramer fave, Shopify. Well, that has become the go-to facilitator for small businesses that want to go online. If you have a friend who's in a small business, you ask them about Shopify. You'll know why I have such respect for them. Now, Etsy from Brooklyn, it's the store for creative people who make things. A memo to my kids, I absolutely love it when you buy me cufflinks from Etsy for Father's Day. Wix and Adobe help you show off your wares on the web. Twilio helps you connect with your customers. And, of course, there's Amazon, which is not just a huge marketplace, it's also a fabulous place to advertise, and the web services division keeps growing, even taking market share from retailers. Amazon's natural competitors. The analysts love these names and raise their price targets almost daily. I mean, yeah, I saw someone raise Amazon to like 3,000 and change yesterday. It's Jackie Wilson time. It's higher and higher. Bull market number four is cooking. Yeah, now here's what I haven't been talking about. If you thought people would stop eating at home once the lockdown ended, think again. Plus, restaurants, they're barely open. Today, the largest supermarket chain in America, Kroger, reported some strong numbers and told us that home cooking's still in. That's why I like McCormick, the spice and seasons maker, which reports next week. What else? Kroger's CEO, Rodney McMullen, told me that cookware's flying off the shelves. Well, that explains some of the strength in Williams-Sonoma beyond West Elm. Makes sense. Dining out's still a dicey proposition. And more importantly, social distancing rules mean they simply can't handle that many customers. They can handle like half of them. Bull market number five, the car. The car's making a comeback. Can you believe it? The oil industry's been in decline since I started this show, or at least for the better part of a decade. That's now changing, particularly in the used car market. Until we got a COVID vaccine, until we get one, mass transit's dangerous, ride sharing's risky, and according to the CDC, even carpooling's off the table. So you need a car, preferably a cheap one, to go from here to there. The obvious winners, well, CarMax, which reports tomorrow morning, as well as Lithia Motors. Even before COVID, there was tremendous demand for used vehicles. Prices got dinged in March and April, but they bounced right back 9% last month. Please don't forget the love affair with Carvana and the newly public Vroom. Carvana is so heavily shorted, it's scary. They don't understand the game. Two oddballs, Spotify, oh my, over 200. That thing is on fire. Brooklyn's own again, how would I tell you? And then, well, at least they're they got the... people listening to stuff in the car, pod. They love that. They love that. The new one just got, they paid a fortune for. Sirius XM, I mean, another thing that's in the car. By the way, Sirius XM, consider this, really. It's a used car play. It's been stuck at 6 for a long time, all right? And it's not a podcast, I know, but it's got, and it doesn't have the sports that people need. But if sports comes back, it's going to be great. Bull market number 6 is steel, especially auto steel. Nucor, the best-of-breed steel maker, has been telling us business is real good for auto steel. Something Union Pacific CEO Lance Fritz mentioned, confirmed to us just last night. Fritz mentioned another bull market, number 7, which is plastics. How to play it? I asked Frank Mitch from Fermium Research, the best chemicals analyst in the world. He told us that polyethylene producers are seeing a ton of demand from overseas, also domestic packaging. June's looking better than May, and that's terrific for LyondellBasell, Cramer fave Dow, and Westlake. No, not the author, the chemical company. Polyvinyl chloride, think PVC piping, it's doing well too. Well, that's Westlake again. Gotta go buy Westlake. Bull market number 8 is housing, specifically the housing shortage. There's also a shortage of publicly traded housing plays that make sense here. Lowe's and Home Depot, sure. I prefer Stanley Black & Decker, PPG, and Masco, not to mention Trex, and newly minted AZEK if you want to remodel outside. They're all doing well. Sherwin-Williams is standout in paint. RH is the way to decorate. Really good stuff on their website right now. Go ask my wife about RH. Obviously, the home builders work. We just got a great quarter from Lennar. I still like to hold. Bull market number 9. Without live sports, people are desperate for at-home entertainment, and they're cutting the cord like there's no tomorrow. Easier to just say stream things directly from the web via Roku. We know the video game plays are on fire, especially the Activision Blizzard. And look at the one going higher again, Take-Two Interactive. Once they get their hooks into you, it's hard to stop. Even these companies question the staying power of this move, but what if sports don't come back? Just today, Dr. Anthony Buzzkill Fauci pointed out that we can't really have an NFL season unless everyone involved lives in a bubble under the dome. I saw that, Stephen King. Well, that's not happening. Please come back, football. All right, of course, Netflix is the big winner from all this cord cutting, and the analysts are tripping all over themselves to raise the price targets every day. At-home entertainment also includes working out on your Peloton. Yes, it took Heather 10.5 weeks to get hers, but it finally happened, one of our producers, and she took lots of pictures of it today. Maybe she'll put it on her website. She's really funny. You have to put your Lululemon clothes on when you're on your Peloton, and don't forget to walk around your Nikes. They report next week. I think it'll be great. Finally, bull market number 10. You're going to have to pry my cold, dead hands away from this, believe me. Let's call it Clorox bull market. My pantry stocked with their salad dressing. They make salad dressing not out of this, okay? My water's filtered with Brita because I don't like those plastic bottles anymore. When we get together around the fire pit, like I showed you the other day, we play John Denver. No, don't do that. It's all about the charcoal, meaning Kingsford's. And, of course, there's these coveted Clorox wipes and Clorox bleach. My wife likes the Sentiva. I don't know. It all smells like Clorox to me. You want to kill COVID? COVID is a tough fighter. This is tougher. And that's why I like it. I don't care how high this stock goes. If management announced a big expansion overseas, you'll see a lot more upside. I'll take it to 250. Plus, you know what? I love these safety initiatives with outfits like United Air or AMC, who we'll speak to later in the show with some big news, okay? Just don't brush your teeth with it. One last honorable mention. You can say we have a bull market in trading, but I do not want to celebrate that because I don't like what I see, which is too much uninformed speculation. Bunch of stocks, they ran up today. I'm not happy with this. It is not enough long-term investing going on. No homework. I am a big fan of well-thought-out speculation. Speculation when you've done the research. That's not what we're seeing here. We're seeing dollar stocks run up to 25. We are seeing crimes against what I regard as nice, ordinary people, and the SEC's got to step up. Here's the bottom line. The 10 bull markets I just mentioned will keep working as America reopens. But rampant speculation, accident waiting to happen. Come on, SEC, help us.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.